espabilarse, espabilarse. I love this one, espabilarse. What does this mean? Espabilate. What does this mean? It literally means to wake up, but it also is similar to saying get your act together. Or just wake up, you're kind of lazy, not paying attention. You don't know what you're doing. You need to get your act together. This word is great for those situations when you need to tell someone, hey, get your act together, wake up, just wake up, get your act together. Espabilarse is a verb, so you need to know how to conjugate this verb. And this verb is regular, so that's great. That's great news. You can conjugate this verb in a regular way, so nothing surprising. That's always good. Espabilarse. Now let's look at some examples using this verb. When I say se espabilar, that's the verb, espabilar. But when you have se, that means that it can be used in a reflexive way. So you need those awesome pronouns, reflexive pronouns, me, te, se, nos, okay? Or in Spain, I believe, is os. So I'm not sure about that one. But, you need reflexive pronouns. You can use this verb with reflexive pronouns. Now let's look at some examples. Espabilense, no sean tan desordenados. Espabilense, no sean tan desordenados. So this means get your act together, don't be so messy, or just wake up, or just, do something about it. I need you to do something about it, and something good. Okay? Espabilense. You can only learn this word right here. Espabilense. You can just say this to someone, and that means, hey, get your act together, man. Okay? So, espabilense, get your act together. No means no, and also means don't. Sean, ellos sean, or in this situation, no sean, you're saying this to a group of people. So don't be, no sean, don't be. Tan means so. Tan rico, so delicious. Tan oscuro, so dark. Tan bonito, so beautiful. Tan desordenados, we're talking. This is an adjective, so you're describing something, describing a noun, describing a situation. So desordenados means disorganized, or also just messy. Espabilense, no sean tan desordenados. Get your act together, wake up, don't be so messy. You have to do something about it. Okay? Now, the next example. Let's look at the second example using espabilarse. Oops. Miguel está tratando de espabilarse y mejorar en todos los aspectos de su vida. So it's not only about messy rooms, it's also about when a situation is messy, or when your life needs, you just need to get your act together. I don't know, there's no other term that can be very close to espabilarse. Okay? The meaning of this sentence is Miguel is trying to get his act together and do better in all aspects of his life. Miguel. Miguel means Miguel, okay? Él está, Miguel is tratando. Tratando comes from the verb tratar. Tratar is a very good verb that means quite a few things. It's also a regular verb, and it means to treat or to try. So it's a very good verb. We need to talk about this one in the future. But tratando means trying. Estoy tratando. I'm trying. Okay. Miguel está tratando means Miguel is trying. When you say tratar de, you use the verb tratar and de. That means you're trying, but you're adding something else to the sentence. Miguel is trying de, it's like saying trying to. Okay? Espabilarse. And we need the pronoun, reflexive pronoun. We have it here as well. So keep that in mind. De espabilarse or espabilarse, just that term, get his act together. And mejorar. Mejorar means to improve or do better. To do better. Mejorar. That's another great verb that we need to talk about in the future. Mejorar. To do better. Do better. En means in. Todos, all. Los, the, technically. Aspectos, los aspectos, aspects. De, of. Su, do you remember this? I mentioned it before when we were talking about the previous phrase, and su means his or her. His. Vida, life. Miguel está tratando de espabilarse y mejorar en todos los aspectos de su vida. Miguel is trying to get his act together and do better in all aspects of his life. Oh boy. So remember, espabilarse is very similar to saying get your act together or to get one's act together. To wake up, just do something about it. You need to wake up. You need to get your act together. Excellent.